How to change Instagram music length. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change music length on your Instagram story. Now if you open up the app here and head into the plus icon on the bottom of the screen, and here you can add story here by tapping on story, and then if you choose a certain picture here, and then what you need to do now to add story is first tap on the icon here at the top, and then you'll get the music option right here, and tap on here. And once you do this, you can browse or search for music. I'll just select one here. Now at the bottom of the screen you can find this icon here with 15 seconds popping up. Now if you tap on it and if you scroll it, now if you tap on that, you can choose the clip duration and music duration here right here. You can either set to 8 seconds, 9 seconds, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, from 5 seconds up to 15 seconds. And if you tap on done, then your music length will be shortened or longered as per your wish. So this way you can change music length on Instagram. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.